What would you want in your dream house?
If I was building my perfect home, I would love a wraparound porch.
Like this one?
Yes, this is beautiful.
Yes.
High ceilings,
Inside, we'll show them to you.
a bonus room.
Bonus room with its own bathroom upstairs.
Yeah,
It could be a great extra bedroom or media room. It's already ours for it.
wire for all that. Fence and yard has that. I have a lot of dogs. I know a lot of dogs.
Yep.
Screen and porch.
We have that too.
We are in coastal Georgia, correct?
The mooks are going to eat you up.
Need the screen.
Yep. Patio.
Patio.
Triple slider. Triple slider. So when you're on the porch, you can still feel like you're in the house. It's great for entertaining. Kitchen, open
Kitchen with a
our filler. Yep.
They even put in a bar next to, the eating kitchen part.
Correct. See, extra cabinet and countertop space.
Yes. And we're in the most WaterWays neighborhoods in Richmond Hill.
We've got the marina with they lift your boat in and out, and they've got the dry storage here. We've got the pools, the gym, the restaurants,
Yeah, the shops down there now.
and the gate to get in.
Yeah, I think community. So we're going to go show you
I'm
around.
going to show you this great house. Come on.
All right, let's take a look around. This is your front door. Again, we have high ceilings, 10-foot ceilings with 9-foot doors. And we have the nice trim work around pretty much the whole house. So this would technically be your formal dining room. They have it set up just as a sitting room. Ceiling fan. And this is an office, flex room, playroom, whatever, with the rolling barn doors. So if you do need quiet, for your office, that's awesome. It is so peaceful outside here. They put the matching door. They had so much attention to detail when building and upgrading. So the door at the bottom of the stairs matches the barn doors, which makes it look really nice. Here is the laundry. So you have cabinet space. That's out to the garage. So it is a 3-car garage. So you do have a lot of storage and a 3-car garage there. And then this little bump out is great. A little mudroom corner. The kitchen is granite countertops. You have the farmhouse sink. They upgraded lights everywhere. This is pantry number 1. And then you have another one on the other side over there. A lot of cabinet space. There's it's not on right now, but there's under cabinet lighting. Pot filler. That's amazing. I wish I had one of those in my house. Very cool. And another pantry. The granite is really nice and neutral colors. And then they extended this. This is not in all the homes either. They matched the backsplash, the cabinets, everything. So it's just continuous. In the eating kitchen area here, they added like this wine bar, coffee bar, extra space. There's a fridge down there. Everything matches so well. And goes well with the fireplace as well. So the fireplace has built-ins with lighting, spot for your TV. And these interesting ceilings, which I just love. It's like the coffered tray ceiling look. Over here we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. Let's go this way. It's a little bit more square footage because they did this bay window bump out in all of the bedrooms on the first floor. Again, I just love the high ceilings, the thicker molding everywhere. And this closet is great because it wraps around that little corner there and has lots of racks. And the bedrooms all have ceiling fans. And there's lots of storage. So there's your HVAC closet. And then here's a really deep linen closet. Bathroom, some natural light. Pretty tile floors. And another bedroom. Again, with that bump out for the bay window, it brings in so much light to the bedrooms. And this cool little closet has a cute little bonus down here. A little reading nook or extra storage. And then the primary bedroom is off on the other side, so split floor plan. The triple tray ceiling. The large bay window bump out there. A large closet. Tall windows help too, bringing so much light. And the primary bath. The herringbone tile, that wood look tile, goes really well. Soaker tub with your frosted window. And the glass enclosed shower. With stone on the bottom there, really classy. And nice and open and tiled all the way up to the ceiling. So the primary suite is really well thought out and very large. Here on the back patio, screened in porch, you have this triple slider door that goes all the way back behind the wall there. So it opens up this into the living room, extends your living space. You have the screened in porch, screened in patio. That is critical in coastal Georgia. And it's very large. Outlets, fenced in backyard. Pretty landscaping and a patio. String lights out here, which is absolutely beautiful in the evening. And the side yards wrap around. So plenty of space. Goes all the way there to the front. All the way to the driveway where there's the double gate and the 3-car garage. Upstairs, it's the 4th bedroom or bonus room, media room. Again with that matching barn door at the top. Great for littles or pets or whatnot. So this is large. Obviously you can see there's a bed and a couch. Walk-in closet and a full bath up here. It has homework desk space or office desk space. So this room has so many uses.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to view these videos and other ones we put out.